Let's animate an object. Hit Command 0 to bring up the project panel, then Command I to import your object. We're going to use the Adobe After Effects icon. Now drag it into your composition, and we're going to want it to go from left to right in the animation. First, make sure you have the current time indicator at the beginning of your timeline. Then drag the object totally to the left until you don't see it. Now hit Option P, and that brings up the position dialog and also automatically adds a keyframe. And you can see that by the diamond and also the illuminated stopwatch. So now when you hit spacebar to play, there's nothing because our object's still over here and there's not a second keyframe to move it. So move the current time indicator to the end of your timeline and then move the object all the way to the right. And you'll notice the nice path is created automatically, and hit spacebar and you're done. Now you'll notice there's no motion blur, so it looks rather stuttery and animated, sort of fake. So to make that look more realistic, you're going to add motion blur, and that's enabled right down here in the square with the 3 circles. Click it, and now you have the motion, press play, and it looks like it was filmed.